I didn't try this with any Google or Claude or any of that kind of stuff. I just deal with ChatGPT. So I know for a fact how good this works with ChatGPT. If you want to try it with something else, that's mine. Okay. But all we need, okay, in here are three pieces of information to get this entire process started. So I have demo content in here. So for the product name, okay, I did Webinar Wealth Blueprint, and then for the keyword or topic, how to put together automated sales webinars. The more information that you put in here for the topic, the better, okay? So try to be as detailed, like who it's for, just as much information as you possibly can about the topic or your product. You can even upload the PDF if you're using a PDF, okay? So just be as detailed as possible in here, and it's going to give you much better results with the copy that's going to be tied more closely to your product, okay? And then down here is what they get. So say exactly what they get. So they get an 8-week group training session plus customizable slides plus live practice workshop. So after you have these three pieces of information in here, you're going to click on generate prompt. And then you're going to come down here and click on copy prompt. And that's going to copy this. You're going to get a GPT and just paste that in exactly as is and click on go. So after you click that, what you're going to notice is this giving you a bunch of information. What this does is it basically sets a stage so that ChatGPT can create the copy based on this information. Now, typically in other softwares, these are things that you would have to fill in manually, but we do it automatically with ChatGPT, so it saves you a ton of time. And then all you have to do is go through this information and basically verify it. Say, yeah, that sounds like my product, or no, that doesn't sound like my product. This kind of sounds more like my product. And then after you tweak all this, and you do that just by coming down here to say, I don't like this part. All you would do is copy and paste that in and put, I don't like this. Here's what it should be. Okay, and then it'll change that part of, and so what you're basically doing is describing the product to ChatGPT. Okay, so you could go through and it always breaks it down to what it hopes them achieve. One makes it different, and then 2 to 3 benefits. And if there's benefits sound good, or you could say, give me more benefits suggestions, give me more of this, more of that. Okay, so basically have a conversation so that ChatGPT knows exactly what the product is, and your copy is going to more closely align with your product, which obviously is what you want. And then all you do from there is, once all this information is correct, you could come down and just start copying and pasting all these prompts and get a massive amount of sales copy done for you, such as Breakthrough Advertising by Eugene Schwartz. And it's going to create copy based on all of these famous books for you. No BS Direct Marketing by Dan Kennedy. And all you do is copy these prompts, and you are going to get all this sales copy. I mean, an insane amount written for you absolutely for free using ChatGPT. And it's just copy and paste. I mean, that's simple to do. And then you copy all of the sales copy that you get into your favorite editor. I mean, you could do the same thing with copying, pasting affiliate sales pages, okay? So if you want to put the affiliate sales page for a product that you're promoting in here, I mean, that would be good to put up here. And then you could then you could just come down here and click on copy prompt, and it uses a sales page to write copy for an affiliate promotion if you want to do a whole different sales page for the product. So, I mean, you could do a bunch of different things with this. You can use portions of this on Facebook or social media, create reels, that kind of thing, all from this. So I hope you like using the software. It's really fun to kind of go through and see what ChatGPT will give you for the product or the niche that you're in. You'll find that you can use a lot of information over and over in all of your marketing. So this is really good just beyond long form sales copy. You can use it for a ton of other stuff.